Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to add coin to watchlist on CoinMarketCap. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the mobile app if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is simply click on the search bar and type in coinmarketcap.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of CoinMarketCap. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to add the coin to watchlist, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is simply click on the watchlist option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the watchlist interface. You'll be able to see all the coins that you've added to watchlist over here. So if you want to add the new coin, what you have to do is simply click on this option, new asset. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the new asset. You'll be able to see the top ranking coins over here. You can simply click on the coin that you want to add to the watch list, or instead of that, you can also search for the coin. Simply click on the search bar. Now simply enter the coin over here. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on the coin that you want to add to the watch list. After you do that, you can see over here that particular coin will be selected. Now what you have to do is click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular coin will be successfully added to watchlist. So that is how you add coin to watchlist on CoinMarketCap. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.